Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you an easy recipe of snake gourd. So let's get started. First things first, let's soak about 50 grams of almonds and 50 grams of cashews. I'm actually boiling these over here because I'm making this instantly. If you have time, you can just leave it for about 1 to 2 hours and then just peel off the almonds. Now just grind it to a coarse paste. You can add about 25 ml of milk if you need. The consistency of this paste should resemble the consistency of the idli batter. So this is basically the snake gourd. This is also called as Chichinda in Hindi. So first we'll just be peeling it off lightly. Now take some wheat flour and gently rub it across the surface. Now remove both the ends and just cut it into half. De-seed it and cut it into thin slices. Now into the mixture jar add about 2 small onions, 1 handful of coriander, half an inch of cinnamon, 2 cloves and 2 cardamom. Now add 5 green chilies and just grind it into a paste. Now add about 2 tablespoons of oil into a pressure cooker. Add ginger garlic paste. I'm adding about 2 teaspoons here. Fry this till the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone. Add the paste which we had grinded. Fry this for about a minute. Now add about half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder and 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix this and fry this for about 2 minutes. Now add the grinded paste of the cashew and the almonds and just fry this for about a minute. Now add the snake gourd. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt as per your taste. Mix it well. Now I'll be adding about 10 ml of milk over here. If you don't want to add milk, you can substitute it with water also. Now mix it well and let it cook for 1 whistle. Now your snake gourd is ready to serve. You can serve it at this stage, but now I'll be just tempering it with some ghee and some cashews. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the recipe, do like it and subscribe to my channel.